Savor the moment, embracing the slow food movement for a healthier, happier life. Welcome to the heart of the slow food movement, where eating well, living better, and supporting local converge in harmony. Discover a world where meals are more than just eating. They're about cherishing flavors, traditions, and the people behind the food. Here, every bite tells a story. From the sun-kissed fields to your plate, it's a journey of passion, care, and community. Slow food isn't just a choice, it's a lifestyle. It's about making conscious decisions that benefit not only you but also the planet. Imagine tables laden with the freshest, most flavorful produce, all sourced from local farmers who practice sustainable, respectful agriculture. Join us in the movement. Savor meals that nourish your body, soul, and the local economy. Let's make every meal a celebration. Together, we can transform the way we eat, live, and connect. Embrace the slow food movement. Eat well, live better, support local.